Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to add your signature or email signature in Outlook. So if you want to add your signature in Outlook, what you have to do is, first of all, just open your Outlook and sign in. And now what you have to do is, you will see like this interface in your account. So what you have to do, just click on this setting option. So when you click on this setting option, you will see like this. And now what you have to do, just click on this view all Outlook setting option. Just click on it, and now you have to click on the general setting, and you will see many options here, but you have to click on mail or email setting. And now here you will see compose and reply option. Just click on it, and here you can create any signature. So if you want to create a new signature, so what you have to do is, first of all, just name your signature professional signature like this, signature. Now here in the bottom you can for your signature you can just write your name, type your name like this, your company name, pharmaceutical. There are many options here. I am going to show you one by one. So now you can insert also, you can insert your picture from here. You can paint, format painter. You can also bold the letters, all the letters you can bold it by clicking on it. So you can highlight it, and you can alignment make your like this. So you can do anything whatever you want. Now here under that you will see select default signature. So you can select default signature, my signature, or this one. You can select default signature, and you can choose whether to display the from or BCC line when you are composing a message. And this is reply. You can choose your default response when you reply from reading pane. Like this, you can select all these options and click on the save. So like this you can create a signature in your Outlook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.